Bago ah.
Financier namin sa...
Grabe.
Ipakita natin ha.
Ay, may gusto mo nangyari.
Dito muna tayo.
Yan.
Yan. Yan.
Ano yan?
Yan. Yan ang
Basta-basta yan.
mga pangyayari ngayon. Pangyayari ha. Yan. Yan. Bakit tinakpan to? Ito.
Yun.
Ipakita yan.
Meron dyan.
Ayan.
Wala lang. Apat lang.
Ayan.
Wala.
Yung isa nagtagay ng tubig.
Lame kayo. Okay kayo.
Parang hindi maubos. Silpi pa.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ito oh. Ano po tong dito? Yan, hindi pa na ano yan ha.
Ito pa.
Ayan.
Oh,
Lumboy. Lumboy lang yan.
Lumboy.
ayan, hindi pa na ano
Ano
yun.
yung lumboy yan?
You show up first, you're staring at me.
Lumboy tao.
Something for
Lumboy namin ganyan.
Yung isa naman, dawat, ibang klase dito.
Si Carlos.
a piece of me.
Ayan, nakaligo na oh.
Showing up.
Tapos ligo, kain.
Ligo tayo.
Walang-wala.
Wala magpunta dito.
Control.
Oh, ayan. Silpi lang.
Just take the lead. You gotta ruin this for us.
Oh.
Spoil the fun, just be done.
Ang sarap pala.
Tingnan mo yung isa na sobrang busog.
Mali ang iniisip mo. Katulad ng iniisip ng marami dyan.
Didn't come here for you killing the mood. You being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here
Paano?
carry on with your night.
Ayan.
Out of my sight. Get out.
Parang hindi nyo ipakita namin yung bitch yan.
You killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way.
Ayan.
Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my way.
Loloyo.
Should not be hard to understand. Don't wanna be bothered by
Yan.
your man. No need to flex, boy, don't be vexed.
Patricio.
Not interested, no way, no thanks. You think that acting confident get you in, that's not the point.
Ayan, si Boy.
But you got no cool. So simple, you just gotta
Ito. Bernard.
ruin this for us.
Dapat pasalamat tayo ni Mio.
Spoil the fun, just be done. I have seen enough to call your bluff.
Sana all.
Come here for you, dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Get out of my sight. Get out of my way.
Pala na video, hindi ako nakita eh.
For you,
Kalbo.
didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my sight. I have had enough.
Ano natin i-post muna. Maya na ang sumunod.
It's time for you to Didn't come here for you, dude. You're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight.
Lakad-lakad, Chris.
Tonight, just stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you,
Yung problema sa Christian.
killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my way.
Doon ka tamaan si Blake.
Baka sabihin ninyo wala kaming cottage. Eh, tingnan ninyo dito ha. Oo. Eh, cottage.